Hi everyone, welcome to the product walkaround of the all-new Kubota MU5502 multi-utility second generation MU series tractor. Competing in the 55 HP category, MU5502 is upgraded with the best-in-class features and technology. The powerful MU5502 is equipped with the latest Japanese technology to provide optimum performance, efficiency and reliability, plus enhanced operator comfort. An upgrade from the MU5501, the MU5502 packs in several additional features, all of it to substantially increase productivity of the Indian farmers. Sit back and pay close attention as we take you through the walkaround of the all-new MU5502. MU5502 comes with a thoughtfully designed, robust, single-piece open bonnet along with headle for easy opening and closing to bring ease in day-to-day maintenance of the air cleaner, battery and radiator. Larger and brighter headlamps not only improve looks but also provide a wider and longer lighting area for better visibility. The heart of the MU5502 is equipped with the same legendary V2403 engine, same as in the MU5501, which makes it possible for the MU5502 to compete in the 55 HP category. Thanks to Kubota's world-renowned expertise in making Eco-Center direct injection ECDIS technology, MU5502 delivers the most powerful and effective combustion and lesser fuel consumption. We can call it the most advanced version of a DI engine, as the fuel-injecting nozzles are located vertically compared to other tractors that come with inclined nozzles. The 4-valve technology, 2 valves for air suction and 2 valves for exhaust, provides better and cleaner combustion and more power. Kubota's unique balancer shaft on both sides of the engine rotate at twice the engine speed, opposite to each other, and absorb the vibration created by the engine so efficiently that it hardly vibrates or makes any noise. As a result, farmers enjoy long hours of operation and reduced overall maintenance of the tractor. The new SynchroGear 12 plus 4-speed gearbox comes with a synchronizer unit for shifting gears instead of a collar like in other tractors. This not only largely reduces noise while shifting gears, but also reduces wear and tear due to smooth engaging of the gears. Thanks to the SynchroMesh gearbox, the 12 forward and 4 reverse speeds allow MU5502 customers a varied choice of speed options, ideal for all types of implements and soil conditions. With optimum speeds, MU5502 is suitable for all agri as well as commercial applications. The large platform with a flat deck of MU5502 is designed for hindrance-free movement while getting on and off the tractor. The flat deck accommodates the side shift gearbox as well as suspended clutch and brake pedals for extra smooth operation instead of push-type pedals that require more effort. It is equipped with a double clutch. The main clutch plate consists of 5 fins compared to only 4 fins in other tractor clutches, which provides 25% more durability. The new accelerator pedal is designed to provide better operating experience in terms of foot control and pressing power. Also, the operator's foot movement and pedal movement are in the same direction. This improves operability. The ergonomically designed larger seat with improved cushioning alleviates operators' fatigue and helps drain water out during rains. The turning performance of the double-acting power steering is so smooth that it can be operated even with a single finger. The key stop provision allows the operator to stop the tractor by simply turning the key instead of pulling the traditional stop knob, which makes the operator happy after completing his work. It comes with a LED meter panel for easy operations even at night. Better engine safety is ensured with air cleaner and overheat warning signs. Keeping in mind the modern farmer's personal needs, this tractor also has a mobile charger and storage box. The clutch pedal fixing hook has been newly adapted to prevent jamming or sticking of the clutch if the tractor is not used for a long period of time. Improved for extra safety, the parking brake's locking and releasing happens in 2 steps. For locking, 1. Pull the parking brake lever. 2. Step on the pedal. For releasing, 1. Return the parking brake lever. 2. Step on the pedal. The tractor is available in both REV PTO and Dual PTO variants. Dual PTO has standard and economy PTO speeds, and REV PTO variant has standard and REV speed. Operators can use these as per the application. MU5502 provides 1,800 kgf and 2,100 kgf lift capacity, suitable for all heavy implements. By adding a new adjustment hole on the lower link, we have improved the lifting height of the 3P linkage. As a result, plough or any other implement would not touch the bunds while crossing them. Customers can also store the pin in the lower link latch pin holder. It is also equipped with a robust stabilizer which enables easy adjustment of the 3-point linkage. Very beneficial to the farmers. The inboard planetary final drives distribute rear axle loads over 3 points. This reduces stress on individual gears and shafts. Operators can expect longer life with less service, which means maintenance time is replaced with profitable production time. While operating TOTs, straw reapers, etc., the extended PTO lever provides better accessibility to operators so that they can operate right from their seats without being stressed. The MU5502 is an amazing example of visionary Japanese technology, always working towards staying a step ahead of the expectations of Indian farmers. With legendary engine of MU5502 and Synchrogear 12 plus 4-speed, MU5502 is suitable for all agri as well as commercial applications like plough, harrow, TOT, super seeder, haulage. Thanks again for your kind attention.